Hey, I'm going to show you how to build a really simple CRM really fast. Let's dive in. I'm going to use a tool called Knack. It's a no-code database builder, and we're going to start from scratch. A CRM is a customer relationship management software, so it's how you manage all the people you know. So let's go ahead and create a table. I'm going to make my face a little smaller. We'll import one. I went and created these with ChatGPT, so we've got contacts. That all looks good. We'll get rid of that one. All right, 99 records. Okay, so I've got the rows, I've got the fields, basic stuff, email, phone, etc. Okay, now let's add the interactions. I'm going to start with just a blank table called interactions. And then we're going to build a connection. This is what makes a database so much more powerful than a spreadsheet. So we'll add this connection. So now interactions are connected to contacts. Perfect. ChatGPT created a bunch of interactions for me, so I'm going to add those records. Sorry. To import. Take these. So now we have these. So I'm going to match on the email address. If you're ever trying to link two data sources together, it's always good to try and do an email address rather than a name, because names, there's spaces between them, they're easy to misspell. Emails are just a little cleaner. You can misspell them too, but they're usually cleaner. All right, date and time. Let's do this as an address. Another thing about address, breaking them out. My face. Breaking them out makes it so much cleaner if they're more organized, because then you could do things like how many people live in this city, or how many people live in this state, or the zip code. So breaking out the addresses, instead of putting those all in one column, it's usually nice to break those out. Got that. We don't need longitude and latitude. Make that a paragraph in case you got a lot to say. And then that's going to be a drop down. Excellent. Excellent. We got 383 interactions. Okay, so we got our tables. So we got our interactions. They're linked to a contact. We've got the dates. Let's go ahead and make the pages where we can actually use our CRM. So get rid of this. Oh, one more thing on the contacts. I want to do one nifty thing. I want to count the interactions. So we're going to do a count of interactions. Probably could have said interaction count, but we're going fast. I said fast. All right, so get rid of that. We don't need it. And we're going to create a page. It's going to be called relationships. No, we'll call it contacts. Contacts. We're going to create a grid of contacts. Boy, it looks just like what we had. We're going to move, that's good. We're going to be able to edit the contacts. We're going to be able to see details, so we can see all the interactions for that contact. And we're good there. Let's do one thing. Let's move the first name there. Face is always in the way. Perfect. Now we got the name. We got the interaction count. We can edit it. We can see details. Perfect. One more thing. I want to be able to, on the details page, I want to see all their interactions. So let's add a view. We're going to add a grid. This time it'll be of all the interactions. Click continue. We don't need to edit the interactions. Don't get it wrong. Get it right in the first time. Got the interactions. Perfect. I want to be able to add one. So let's go ahead and add one. Menu. New page. New interaction. Got it. Save. Let's drag this up. Nice. Got the interactions. Let's add a form. And we're going to add a new interaction. Great, great. Don't need that. We already know who it is. Let's move this above address because that doesn't make sense. We'll put that there. That there. We'll click save. Hello, we got a CRM. I'll show you. Let's go. Go to the live app. Make my face a little big. We got contacts. The app is untitled. We'll call it relationships or something later. We got the name, the organization, the email address, the phone number, their status. We got some stakeholders. They're all stakeholders. Maybe we got board members, what have you. We've got the count of their interactions. So I'm going to make myself small. Let's sort by that. Okay, we can see Christy Lee is our favorite. All of these folks are zeros. We probably need to give them a call. I want to see how much are we talking to Christy? When are we talking to her? We're going to click view. Here's her details. Look at this. The entire history of our relationship. I want to go back out. Let's find someone we haven't talked to recently. Alyssa, you need some love. So we're going to click view. New interaction. Gave Alyssa a call. And look at that. We now have a history with Alyssa. And it's perfect. This is a basic CRM. I don't know if this would work for you. I'm not even necessarily suggesting it. What I'm mainly trying to convey is CRMs are just relationships. So it's people with interactions. It's a parent-child relationship. It's not particularly complicated. There's 1,000 tools that could help you do it. And this allows you just to have a sense of the foundations of what is going on beneath the hood of those CRMs. I hope that this was helpful and illuminating. Let's talk soon.